This isn't just a video. It's a community where we learn, share, and get stronger together after 55. If you're ready to take that first step, let's start with number 1. The 3 most powerful tools. Creating an optimal environment where muscles can repair and grow. Green tea also contains a modest amount of caffeine, which can improve alertness and help stimulate the nervous system, important for muscle activation and coordination. Prepared with alanine, an amino acid unique to tea, it delivers a calm, steady focus without the jitters. That bitterness you sometimes taste comes from overbrewing or using water that's too hot. The fix is simple. Heat your water to about 175 degree bath just before boiling and steep for only 2 to 3 minutes. The result will be smooth, slightly sweet, and easy to enjoy. For best results, I recommend 1 to 2 cups per day, ideally in the morning or early afternoon. This timing gives your muscles the benefit of improved blood flow and antioxidant support during the day when you're most active. 2. The ancient adaptogen Uganda root tea.
Most Americans have never thought of tea and muscle building in the same sentence, but making the tea made from the root beers for over 4,000 years of American legacy. Ashwagandha, sometimes called Indian James's son, isn't just an energy tonic.
Anything but ordinary when it comes to supporting muscle health after 55. Rooibos is naturally caffeine-free, so it won't cause jitters or interfere with your sleep. A big plus if you're sensitive to caffeine. But what makes it truly special is its unique blend of antioxidants called espelathin and endophagen. These powerful compounds have been shown to calm inflammation, improve circulation, and protect muscle cells from oxidative damage. The kind of slow, invisible burn and pain that accelerates muscle loss. One study published in Phyto Medicine found that rooibos extracts significantly reduce progress of inflammation.
stronger and less fatigued. To make the most of your weight loss run, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of loose leaves or 1 tea bag in hot water for at least 5 minutes. Drink it warm in the evening as part of your winding down routine or ice during the day. So there you have it. A comprehensive guide to 3 remarkable teas that can truly make a difference in rebuilding your muscle strength, improving your walking ability, and restoring the confidence and freedom that come from having a strong, steady body. Each of these teas carries unique properties and benefits, carefully supported by both modern scientific research and centuries of traditional use. Let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible potential they offer and why they deserve a place in your daily routine.
We began our journey with ashwagandha root tea, an ancient adaptogen known for its profound impact on muscle resilience, strength, and overall energy levels. This isn't just a herb celebrated in traditional medicine. It is backed by contemporary studies stairs without strain, rise from a chair without hesitation, and walk with a natural spring in your step. Ashwagandha doesn't just restore muscle, it restores the confidence and independence that come with a stronger, more resilient body.
And it does this gently without overwhelming your system, which is why integrating it into a daily ritual of tea drinking is so powerful. Next, we explored rooibos tea, a truly unique brew from South Africa. Naturally caffeine-free and popular teas that combat inflammation and mental stress. We eat the unique rooibos because it doesn't deliver the immediate jolt that coffee does. But when it does offer its primary symptoms, it's got a more consistent nature.
Habits repeated over time compound into life-changing improvements, enabling you to move more freely, maintain independence, and enjoy a quality of life that might have felt out of reach before. Imagine waking up each morning, preparing one of these teas, and knowing that with every sip, you're actively supporting your muscles, your resilience, and your overall vitality. Picture yourself walking across the room with stability, climbing stairs without hesitation, and stepping outside with confidence. knowing your body is getting the support it needs to perform at its best. This isn't just about physical strength. It's about reclaiming freedom, confidence, and the joy of movement at any age. So, as you move forward, consider this. The power to rebuild, protect, and maintain your body doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't require expensive supplements or extreme exercise regimens.
It begins with understanding your body's needs and using natural, proven tools to meet them. Ashwagandha root tea, rooibos tea, and green tea are simple, accessible, and effective ways to start that journey today. Incorporate them thoughtfully, consistently, and mindfully into your daily routine. And watch how your body responds slowly at first, then more dramatically over time. As your muscles grow stronger, your steps become steadier, and your confidence returns in life.